Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Ada and in this video I'm going to show you how I make a vegan protein brownie. Start by melting the butter and allow it to cool down. Then in a big bowl you are going to sieve together the flour, the sugar, the cocoa powder, and the vegan protein powder. I used chocolate flavored protein powder, but if you have one that is unflavored, just use a little bit more sugar and a little bit more cocoa. After the dry ingredients are mixed together really well, it's time to add the wet ingredients. And that is the vegan butter, the egg replacer. I used Orgran's egg replacer. I will put a link in the description box. And give this a quick stir before we start adding the plant milk. I like adding the milk slowly because in this way I can control the consistency. Depending on the flour you used and the humidity in your home, you might have to use a little bit more or a little bit less. This is the consistency I got, and now it's time to put it in the oven. If you like this video, let me know by clicking the like button. Also, if you are new here, hello and welcome! Remember to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell. That way you are going to be the first one to know when I upload a new video. Now that it's all spread out, it's time for the tray to go in the oven. Now let it cool down, or do what I do. Always try and eat it hot, burn your mouth, and then keep eating. And this is how they came out. They are really good, not too moist, not too dry, somewhere in between. Thank you very much for watching my video. I will see you in the next one and I wish you a wonderful day. Bye!